13 things to consider when moving your IT infrastructure to the data center. Number 1, does your workload need to live on your servers? If you've got a bespoke workload which is particular to your industry or specifically for your line of business, it may have to live on your servers, in which case the best place for it is in the data center. It's just not going to work in public cloud. Number 2, do you have very high compute bandwidth demands on your workload? Because if so, public cloud is not the right place for that workload, and again it's better off living in the data center where you can have as much compute, bandwidth and storage as you require without paying extra. Whereas in public cloud you will be charged for extra compute, extra bandwidth, extra storage. Take it to the data center. Number 3, do you need occasional physical access to the physical servers? Because if so, if you need to get in there and do data uploads or downloads, if you want to just tweak your application or make changes to the hardware, then the data center is the right place for you. You just can't do that stuff in public cloud. Number 4, what if your needs change? What if you need to get fast access to your data? You need to recover it, or you need to upload large chunks of data to your environment. You can't do those sort of things easily in public cloud, whereas the data center lends itself to that. You can come in here to Datanet, we'll give you access to your servers and your racks. You can upload data through wire speed connections. Number 5, if you want to build your disaster recovery or business continuity plan around the data center, then the data center lends itself to that. You can't do that kind of thing in public cloud. Here in the data center, we can give you access to workspace and desks. You can bring in your critical staff and you can get immediate access to your data. Number 6, you're facing a catastrophe. You've got an emergency within the business. You need to get immediate access to the data, or you need to speak to some technical professionals who can help you get access to your data. The data center is perfect for that. You can come and visit 24/7 and get access to your critical data any time of the day or night. Number 7, cost and space savings. Making use of the infrastructure here in the data center and the facilities available to you here in the data center is much more cost effective than building out your own IT server infrastructure. Number 8, reliability and performance. The data center is designed from the ground up to provide maximum performance, cooling, power, bandwidth, all available to you here in the data center. It'll cost a lot of money to provide similar performance in your own IT infrastructure. Number 9, security, physical security. Take away the headache about worrying about who gets access to your IT infrastructure. Here in the data center, only your named personnel will be allowed access to your IT infrastructure 24/7. Number 10, speed of connectivity. Our connectivity here in the data center is resilient, we have multiple fibers, and it's likely to outperform anything you will have in your premises. Also, we can provide high bandwidth connectivity out to your premises, to your campus, effectively bringing you on net with the data center. Number 11, you get 24/7 access to our technical support and to your equipment in the data center. Number 12, risk management. When you've got a catastrophe or an emergency in your premises, in your office, you don't need to worry about your equipment because it's all being taken care of properly here in the data center. Number 13, if your application is particularly suitable for public cloud, Google, Azure, Amazon, then they'll do a good service for you. If your application is bespoke, you need regular access to it, you want it to be in a high performance data center, come and speak with us here at Datanet. We will provide you with accommodating, flexible, agile data center services. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you found that helpful. Please come and speak with us. We're very friendly people. We've got a very flexible, adaptable, high quality data center here, just a little bit outside London. We'd love to hear from you.